Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete saved game data on your PS5. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that for some reason you want to start a game entirely fresh or brand new. How do you actually go ahead and delete that saved game data? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to navigate to where it says settings on the upper right hand corner. Next, you want to scroll down to where it says storage, and then from here, you want to click on console storage. Next, scroll down to where it says save data, and then select the type of games which you want to check save data for. So we'll click on PS5. Now this is the really important step, guys. This is where you're going to be able to see all of your saved game data. So if you want to go ahead and delete saved game data for Hogwarts Legacy, for example, all you've got to do is click on it and then click on delete on the bottom right hand corner. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete saved game data on your PS5. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.